And forever comes tomorrow. What has been will always be.
Nicole and Nizel, you are setting out on the road which will have its potholes and its steep climbs and its occasional collision. Meaning to say, married life will not bring you a perfect life. Rather, it is also filled with trials and difficult moments.
Akala ko susuko ka sa sungit at tapang ko. Sa pusong mukhang bato, ngunit lambot ng puso'y totoo. Pusong handang umunawa, handang tumulong, hanggang kaya. Akala ko yabang ang gym, papogi lang, ngunit tulad ko, lahat pala ng kilos may dahilan. Nung una, akala ko'y laro lamang, isang kwentong panandalian. Hindi ko inakala na sa biro ng tadhana, kasalan pala ang hantungan.
Dati akala ko hindi mangyayari to. Pero pag si Lord talaga ang nagplano sa buhay mo, ibibigay niya para sa'yo.
Sinabi ko noon, 3 hanggang 6 na buwan ka lang, katulad ng iba. Ngunit sa 3 buwan, tanong mo'y kasalan na. At doon, ako'y natigilan. Hindi pala laro, hindi pala biro, ako pala talaga.
Let us pray that they may have a marriage that fills their home and all around them with the love that never fails, so that as Jesus said in our gospel reading today, and that they may always know the fulfillment of that Christ's promise, that this joy may be in them, and their joy might be complete.
At tandaan mo, sa hirap man o ginawa, sa lungkot o saya, sa sakit o sigla, hindi ko bibitawan ng iyong kamay. Hanggang sa muli, sandali ang aking buhay. Kasama mo ako sa lahat sa paglalakbay at mas kasama mo ako sa oras ng inyong lumbay.
Salamat sa balikat na laging handang sumalo, sa katahimikang umuunawa, kapag luha na lang ang kaya. Sa mga salitang, sakay na, ako na ang bahala. Doon ko naintindihan na kahit gaano ka ka-independent, kapag may taong lalaban para sa'yo, matututo ka rin humawak ng kamay.
Do you remember how to try? Do you remember how it was? I was running, hiding, fighting, trying to find a place to go. Lonely love. I was fighting, felt it, fighting, searching for a path to follow.
Walang magsasabing kung ano ang mangyayari sa kinabukasan, kaya mahalin kita sa para na alam ko.
Salamat aking inuwan sa pagpiling manatili at sa pagpiling mahalin ako araw-araw. Pangako, kasama mo ako habang buhay. Hindi kita lolokohin, magiging loyal at magiging faithful ako habang buhay. Love you.
Baby, you're to make me strong.
like to present to you newly married couple, Mr. John Nicole and Mrs. Nizelle De Castro Nimuan. John Nicole, you may now kiss your wife, Nizelle.
Finding, felt it, finding, searching for a path to follow.